In this video, we're changing the oil on this Ram 3500 turbo diesel. This is a 6.7 liter Cummins. So on the cap here, it says what type of oil to use. So depending on your climate, you're gonna either use synthetic 5W40 or 10W30. On the passenger side here, this is where you access your oil filter. And you access the oil pan underneath, right in the center. Right there. This truck is gonna take 12 quarts, so 3 gallons. We got the synthetic 5W40. We are in Colorado, so we're gonna hit some cold weather, so that's why we need to do this. And then got this big Fram Tough Guard TG3976A. That's gonna be the oil filter. It's installed on the passenger side, facing upward. All right, so since this truck holds 12 quarts, we got a couple pans to catch it. That's what we have. It's just, you're just gonna use your 3/8, the end of your 3/8 wrench to open this up. All right, to help the oil flow out nice and easy, we took the oil cap off and now we're gonna release it. So after you break the seal, you'll just pull out that oil nut. All right, we got the oil dripping now. Make sure you have a big enough oil pan to hold everything. In our case, they were a little bit smaller than we probably needed. So it had a little bit of a spill, but we have a tarp on, so nothing too much to worry about. But just be prepared when you do this. Once it's done dripping, go ahead and screw it back in. We're gonna use these oil filter pliers to get the filter out. We'll go ahead and reach in there and grab it, break it loose. So as you bring the filter out, it's gonna go horizontal and spill a bit. So make sure you have a container underneath to catch it. Yeah, and then you can just flip that upside down and pour it into your container. All right, so we're just gonna fill this about halfway up with some oil. And then since you have to put it in, it goes horizontally. Some of it will spill out, but just do your best to get it in there as quick as you can. Yeah, get the ring all oiled up too. Might make sense to put the basin first. Hold it by the top and then, yeah, hold it by the top and there you go. Perfect. Less will spill. Makes sense. So next step is you're gonna hand tighten this. Get it about as tight as you can with your muscles, except don't use any tools. Just a reminder, the oil filter on the passenger side is mounted upside down. So when you think about it, if it's upside down, you're gonna need to twist it to the left to loosen it. So imagine the filter, you know, is on the ground here and it's always lefty-loosey. So have that orientation whenever you think about how you need to turn it. That way you don't turn it the wrong way. Next step, we're getting all 12 quarts dumped into the engine. And then go ahead and pull the engine oil dipstick out once, wipe it, and then dip it in so that you can see, make sure you're right at the right level.